Hi everyone, welcome learns Arven's English. I'm Arven. Today we are going to a school of fun kitchen picture together. Are you ready? Go! Go! Let's go, Seth, go!
Arven, what can you see in this picture?
I see a cat, I see a mouse, I see a girl. Yeah, I can see a kitchen.
Excellent, Arven, great job.
Mhm.
Is it a bedroom?
No, it's kitchen room.
Okay. Do you like this kitchen?
Yeah, I love that kitchen.
Awesome. Let's look a little closer. What can you see?
I see a cat, I see a mouse. Yeah, I see her girl and I see her mom. I see cat and I see a mouse. The girl and his mom doing cookies.
Fantastic. Well done, baby. Is there a dad?
No, the dad is gone to work.
Are they happy?
Yeah, they are happy.
What are they doing?
They are cooking cookies. Yeah, they are making 2 and more.
Great. Let's find out what they are making.
They are making.
What they are doing?
They are making a chocolate cake. No, he's making chocolate cookies. Yeah, they are making cookies.
Amazing. You are doing so well, baby girl.
Yeah.
Do you like cookies?
Yeah, I like very much. I like pink cookies and I like chocolate cookies. I like Christmas tree or just tree. I like it, but I don't like snacks.
Okay, baby. Are the cookies ready?
No, at the done.
Where are the cookies?
The cookies are in the kitchen. Yeah, they are on the tree. Right.
Wonderful. Let's look at the table. What is on the table?
What?
What is on the table? What can you see?
I see pink flowers. I see a milk. I see cookies. I see moms doing cookies. And I see salt. I see cranberry sauce. I don't see jelly. I see eggs, but I don't see jelly. There is not jelly in the kitchen.
Can you see sugar?
Yeah, I see here sugar, but I don't see snacks.
Can you see butter?
Yeah, I will. I like butters.
Is the fruit bowl blue?
Yes.
Can you see a cup?
Yes.
Can you say the color?
Blue.
The cup is blue
Yeah.
or purple?
Blue.
How many apples can you see?
No, the cup is purple.
Okay. Arven, how many apples can you see?
1, 2, 3. I see 3 apples.
Excellent counting. What color are the apples?
What color are the apples?
Yes.
It's red, and The apple is green. Red, red, green. Yeah. No, there are two apples on the. I have one. I have one red apple. I have two apples. I have 6 apples. I have 7 apples. I have 7 apples, Daddy.
Okay, baby. Are the apples on the table?
No, the apples on the bottle of some cream.
Great. Now let's look for an animal.
Animal.
Where is the cat?
The cat is in the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair.
Brilliant. You
Brown.
found the cat. What color is the cat?
The cat is brown and the cat is white. White, gray, black, and white.
Okay. Is the cat sleeping?
No, the cat is just sitting on the chair.
Is the cat cute?
Yeah, I love pink. I love cats.
Nice job,
My
baby.
favorite animal is cat and red panda. And my favorite pet, teddy bear, dog, a girl, some water, and a green rectangular ball. Any ball.
Can you find another little animal? Can you see a mouse?
Yeah, the mouse is in the ground.
Fantastic, baby. The mouse is on the floor, right?
Where is the fridge?
Is the mouse big?
No, the mouse is small. The cat is big.
Excellent. Let's look at the window. What can you see outside the window?
I see a plant. I see and a bird.
Great answer, baby. Is it sunny?
What?
Is it sunny outside?
Yeah, it is. It's sunny and cloudy.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny and cloudy.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days and I love windy days and I love rainy days.
Awesome, baby. Now let's look at the fridge.
Okay.
What is on the fridge?
The fridge is on the fridge. It's letters, SSR, and pictures. There's colorful magnets and fridge.
Excellent. Well done, baby. Are the magnets colorful?
Yes. Yeah, they are.
Do you like the magnets?
It's so sorry.
Do you like the magnets?
What?
Do you like the magnets?
No, I don't. I don't like the magnets.
Is the fridge white?
Yes, the fridge is green. The fridge is white.
You are doing an amazing job. One more question. What color is the bowl?
It's color blue.
The bowl is blue.
Yeah. Or no, it's color green. It's not color blue. It's color green. But this bowl is green.
That's right.
This competition is very sweet.
Is the whiskey in the bowl?
Whiskey?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Do you like the blue bowl?
No, I like green bottles. I like green bottles. I love pink bottles and I love blue bottles, red bottles, green bottles, white bottles, black bottles,
Okay.
and I love blue bottles. I like yellow bottles I love which powders? I love pink powders now.
What color is the milk carton?
Which milk cartoon?
There is a one milk carton maybe.
Oh, it's in the milk. It's on the milk. It's cow. It's blue and white.
Do you like milk?
What?
Do you like milk?
Yes, pretty much. I like pink milks.
Is the milk on the table?
Yes, correct.
Can you drink milk every day?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's find some fruits. Can you see any bananas?
Yes.
Wonderful, baby. Well done. What color are the bananas?
Yellow.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I do.
Okay, great work. What is the girl holding?
The girl is holding a cookie.
Right. Excellent answer. Is she cooking?
The girl is what?
Is she cooking?
Yes, he's cooking. Yes, he is cooking.
Let's look around the kitchen. Can you see a clock?
Yes, I see red clock. It's so silly.
Where is the clock?
The clock is on the door.
Is the clock round?
Yes, the clock is round. Correct.
What color is the clock?
The clock is color red, white, and black.
Awesome, baby. What is on the floor? What is on the floor? What is on the floor?
Okay. A little toy car is on the floor.
What color is the toy car?
Red.
Is it big?
No, it's small.
Are the cookies ready to eat?
There aren't. No.
That's right. Great thinking. Are they baking?
Yes, they
Yes.
are baking.
Okay. Are the cookies hot?
Yes,
Do you want a cookie?
yes, I want cookies.
Alright. What's your favorite thing in the kitchen picture?
My favorite things in the kitchen: milk and rice and butter.
I love that answer. Excellent, baby. Why do you like cookies?
I like cookies too
Okay, why do you like cookies? Why?
because they are yummy.
Okay. Do you want to bake cookies?
No, I don't want baked cookies. I want just eat the cookies and I want bake.
Did you enjoy this kitchen picture?
Yes, I have it. So much fun.
Amazing, Arven. I'm so proud of you.
Okay.
Do you want another picture?
Yes, I want it. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun learning English with me. Which thing was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next picture though. Goodbye. Goodbye.